Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you solve your WhatsApp photo is not downloading problem. So if your friend sending you any kind of photo on your WhatsApp but you cannot download it, it's if you facing any kind of problem like that, you cannot download this photo and you cannot watch this photo. So what should you do? In this tutorial I'm going to show you that step by step how can you solve it WhatsApp photo not downloading problem. So let's get started our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So guys, first of all you need to launch on your Google Play Store, and after launch on your Google Play Store you need to search out for WhatsApp Messenger, and after search for WhatsApp Messenger you need to check out your WhatsApp Messenger is updated or not. There you can see my WhatsApp Messenger is not updated, so you need to update your WhatsApp Messenger. Then let's back. After that you need to go your phone settings. So guys, there you can see this is my phone settings, and after that you need to search out for apps or apps management option. So guys, there you can see this is apps option, so just open it, and after that you need to go manage apps option, and then you need to search out for WhatsApp Messenger from here. Where is my WhatsApp? WhatsApp, where are you? I cannot find it, so go to search bar and type for WhatsApp. Then there you can see, and now you need to clear all data from here. You need to clear all data from here, and then you need to go permission, and after go to permission you need to allow everything like that. There you can see everything, you need to allow everything from here. After that then you need to let's back, and now you can open your WhatsApp, and now I hope your WhatsApp photo not downloading problem is solved. If your friend is sending you photo, and now you can download this photo. So I hope if you watch this video carefully, your photo not downloading problem is solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.